Hey everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Skmei 2198 model watch. In this video, I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date on digital as well as on analog watch. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe. I upload different watch related tutorial video over here. Now let's get started. The very first step to set time on Skmei 2198 model watch is you have to see whether you are in timekeeping mode or not. As you see here in indication in this display, the arrow is showing towards T1. T1 means the timekeeping mode that currently we need to adjust time. If it is in different like this one, this is in date mode, this is in alarm, this is another timekeeping mode, then you have to keep pressing until this arrow shows towards this first one, which is timekeeping mode. Now once you reach here, now it's time to adjust time and date. To adjust time, you have to press right side top button for a while. Once you press for a while, you can see here the second have started blinking. To make it 0, press right side down button. Once you press, it makes it 0. After adjusting second, to adjust minute and hour, press right side top button. You can see here now the minute is blinking. To adjust that, you have to press right side down button. If you press this, the digit will go forward. After adjusting minute, to adjust hour, again you have to press right side top button. This will help you to move towards hour. As you can see here on my display, the hour is popping up now. To adjust it, again press right side down button. This will help you to go forward. Once you adjust your time, now to move towards another function, you have to press again right side top button. Now you can see here, this is hour format. Currently it is 12-hour format. If you want to change, press right side down button. 24-hour, again press same button to change it to 12 hours. So this is how you can change the hour format. Now to move towards another function, again press right side top button. Here you see the time I have adjusted. 4:45 is blinking together. The minute and hour both are blinking together. This means in this step we can adjust this analog time. As you see here in analog, it is like 2:30. Now to adjust, you have to press right side down button. See, if you press for a while, it starts moving, and to stop, just leave it. And if you want to move one by one, press one by one like this, it will go gradually. Now to again gain the same speed, press right side down button for a while. It catches the speed now. This is how you can adjust analog time of this watch. Once you finalize this, again press right side top button. Press it again. Then you can see here the time has been adjusted. Now to adjust date, you have to change this to another format. This is currently timekeeping mode. Let's move towards date. To move towards date, you have to press left side down button. So this is now date function. As you can see here, Friday 26 is mentioned. Now to adjust this, you have to press again right side top button for a while. Once you press it, now you can select month. Press right side down button to go forward. So this is month. This is how you can adjust the month. After adjusting the month, to select days, press again right side top button. Now you can hear days is blinking. Press again right side down button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust the days. After adjusting days, again press right side top button. So here you can adjust year. Press right side down button to go ahead. In this way you can select the year. After selecting year, again press right side top button. So this is how date has been adjusted. So now if you want to go back, if you continue press, see, this is the digital time we have adjusted. This is the analog time and this is the date. So if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe. And if you have got any queries, do comment and let me know. Thank you very much for watching till the end.